What the Chemistry? Episode 2. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. And we have 40,000 views of our videos. So thanks to everyone that has watched a video. I appreciate it. And who wants to be the 100th subscriber? All right, I'm on 99 subscribers. If you make it as the 100th subscriber, let me know in the comment section. All right, today we are going to talk about an element on the periodic table. And this element is a metal, and it is more rare than gold by 30 times. Palladium. So we are going to talk about that. We find that in capacitors. You'll be able to possibly find a capacitor that has palladium in it on your motherboard. So sit right back, have a cup of coffee, and we'll get into it. Palladium is used in cars to help make inert 90% of the poisonous gases. Palladium is used in some capacitors such as multi-layered ceramic chip capacitors to help store energy. In fact, you may see some of these on your motherboard. They're brown in color. Now, to compare the prices of a few precious metals, we'll look at platinum. It's $1,000 for a troy ounce, which is 31.1 grams. And gold is US at $1,950 an ounce. And next, we will have palladium. Is it worth more than gold? Well, yes, it is. $2,400 an ounce. And this is 30 times more rare than gold. And it's situated in the middle of the periodic table, PD. And its crystal structure is a face-center cubic, if you know what that is. Ruthenium is a platinum group metal along with rhodium and palladium and osmium and iridium and platinum. All these 6 metals are found in the same ore bodies and have similar qualities. Palladium is, like I said, is 30 times more rare than gold. And here's a picture of palladium metal. This is what it looks like. And it doesn't react with oxygen, so it doesn't rust at room temperature. In Siberia, Russia, nor nickel, they make 39% of the world's palladium. They make 80 tons a year. And South Africa is next with 70. And they have 4 different companies with 30 mines that I know about. Also, Canada makes 20 tons. And in Montana, they make 19 tons. You also find a few other countries like Finland and Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe makes 12 tons per year. This is Norilsk region in northern Siberia, and they actually make most of the high-grade nickel in the world, largest producer, as well as the largest producer of palladium. And here is a picture of some ore named after the region. Tanunk is copper, iron, nickel, and sulfur. Nornickel is a big company that makes nickel, palladium, copper, platinum, gold, cobalt, selenium, tellurium, rhodium, silver, iridium, ruthenium, coal. And they make billions of dollars a year. And the head of the company is Vladimir Putin. There are 74,000 employees, and in March they got a 1-month bonus. Yeah, and then the next day 3 board members left the company. I don't know. And here's a picture of Polaroid, which is palladium, bismuth, and lead. In fact, this picture also has 3 other minerals as well, very rare ones. This false color image is a picture of the region, and they make it false color or like add pink and stuff in there just so it's easier to see things. The green is vegetation, the blue is water. Next, we have South Africa, and they actually have half of the world's palladium reserves in the ground, or unmined palladium in the ground. So that's very interesting. And where the green arrow points to at the bottom there, those stars are the different mines for platinum and palladium. They generally mine the 2 together. And this is in the northeast corner of South Africa near Pretoria. And the black bands are chromatites. Of course, has chromium in there. And the light bands are anorthosite, which is where the palladium is. And this is in a place called the Bushveld Igneous Complex. And igneous means volcanic. Volcanic eruptions caused this deposit. Now to Canada, and they have 7 locations where they mine palladium, and as well as nickel, copper, and chrome. And here's a picture of cooperite, which is actually a platinum sulfur, but it also comes as palladium and sulfur. Look very similar. This is Montana. Yes, Stillwater. Yes, and the igneous volcanic complex around the chromite mine. So they're mining chromite, palladium, and platinum. And the gold color here is from fool's gold. It's from different types of pyrite. But you do find gold along with platinum and palladium sometimes. So there could be some gold in there as well. Well, that's palladium, yes. Well, if you'd like to see some more videos along those lines and more videos in regards to PC computing and computer gaming, well, subscribe and you get notified when my videos are ready. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary, and don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.